Y'all, it's Christmas time, and what does that mean? Well, a smoked ham, a double smoked ham, that is. For us, Hussey House, I don't know about your house. Well, you can tell me. What does Christmas yield for, your holiday festivities, your dinners, that kind of thing? Typically, we do turkeys for Thanksgiving. Don't generally do ham. Lately, we've been doing ham, but we do Christmas ham, turkey, Thanksgiving. That's just us. Lately, my old buddies over at Brightleaf, Carolina Packers, they have some beautiful hams. These hams are delicious. And I got a little, and I've been smoking these, double smoke them. They already kind of smoked. They're cured, smoked, and we're going to double smoke them on the pellet grill. Where was I going with that? Oh, I got a little code for you. If you want one and you're not local, okay, just head on over to Carolina Packers website, and I got a little code, a little Hussey 10 for some 10% off. 10% off your order if you shall. Golly, I spilled ham juice all over me. If you care to have one yourself. Don't have to, whatever. Don't throw away this little pack. These packs are actually pretty dang good. So if you want to make your own glaze, go right ahead. I don't do a whole lot. You don't have to either. I mean, I always do take this little thing out here. But we're gonna double smoke this thing. And I'm gonna take it off this rack here first. I'm gonna put it in our pan. Just a little bit of binder, just for the, and this mustard, you don't taste it. You don't taste it at all. It's just for something for the little rub to adhere to. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna put a little bit of my heifer dust. Asked for by name. I need to stop leaving it outside whenever I get done. Just a little bit. That's actually a lot, but who's counting, right? I mean, the ham's nice, salty. I know that I'm terrible shaking with my left hand. I do know that. I'm not good. This right here adds a little bit of sweet flavor to it. Like I said, this is totally optional. Don't want to do it? Don't do it. This is honey killer bee. I really like this honey killer bee on my products, on my smoked products, my ribs, my butts. It's really good, really good. Before you do this, I want to make sure, just set your pellet grill, or grill, 275. That's what we're going to do. This is pretty much it. This is all you got to do. Let's go on over to the smoker. Let's get it in there. Let's let it get happy. All right. She's up running 275. And there we go. We'll see you we're going to check on it in about an hour. It's already cooked. Really, all we're doing is reheating this. And you want to get this to about 140 degrees, and that's about it. Oh, let's do that. I want to use my new RFX, my new ThermoWorks RFX. Check out that little thing. It's wireless, pretty cool. No wires. I could use my pellet grill, and but this right here is just really handy dandy. I put it up to the line, and it's going to monitor the darn temperature for me. How cool is that? See you in about an hour, sucker.
Several bad puns later.
All right, guys, our ham is at 134 degrees, all right? I was actually wanting to do this about 130, take it off at 130, but that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and make our glaze mix. This thing seems to be real hard, so we're gonna... And the glaze mix is pretty easy. You just take the mix, pour it into a container, and you take just a little bit, I think like a tablespoon of water, and you just incorporate it, and you start watching it kind of come to life. All right, let's let that get incorporated. See what our ham looks like. You ready? Ooh, boy, she's been cooking. She looking good. She's looking real good. Okay, ducky. Ooh, look at that thing, boys. That was a good looking ham right there. Oh, yes, sir. Boy, it looks good. I'm going to take my probe out, RFX probe. Thing worked beautifully. If you're interested in one of these, they're on sale right now. So there will be a link down below for you. got to kind of work quick. It is cold out here. I know somebody's gonna say you're in North Carolina, but y'all, it's cold today. Like, what was it, like 30s? For the high, it was 20, it was teens this morning when we started. Just take that glaze. Let me move this around so you can see it a little bit better, especially that side. This side right here is real pretty. Like I said, these bright leaf hams, they have always been just really good quality for me. Now, not done. Not done. Woo-hoo, we're gonna get out the flamethrower. Let's go, boys and girls. Did I say I'm ready? Are you ready? Yeah. This is awesome. Look at that. It is crusted. Yeah, I like those little tidbits. I may have gotten a little hot right there, but that's okay. Woo, doggies. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's enough fun, Matthew. Well, that's a good looking ham. Well, we got to try this ham. So I like it. I like right here where it's got a little bit of these little pieces of fat on it. I'm just gonna come in here. Super juicy. Oh, smoke. A little bit of smoke flavor from the pellet grill. That's a good ham. Look at this juice. Look at this juice, Jacob. See how, can you see it? Look at that. Crazy. I like to dip it in some of this ham juice too. So good. Y'all, do you one of these double smoked hams? Use that sugar packet, that glaze packet. And you know, if you want to add something else, you can add some orange juice to that. Oh, I can't stop eating this. Sky's the limit on how to do it. I about left for Maggie tax. Maggie, you've been waiting for this double smoked ham, haven't you, girlfriend? Got to get that Maggie tax. Hey, do this double smoked ham for your family and friends and whoever else. People that don't even like you would love this. Hey, love you. See you. We really got a pickle here because I spilled junk in my gloves a long time ago, but I'm still using them because the whole darn thing of them. All right. Ouch. Probably should not have done that. That was not very... You want to get a video of me spooning? I know what you're doing. Little weirdo. Man, that's probably... I think that's better than my Thanksgiving ham. Really? I think so.